The OES remote area lighting system delivers exceptional brightness, offering aircraft maintenance crews unparalleled clarity during their tasks. Its portability ensures it can be easily transported to any location, enhancing convenience and flexibility. Furthermore, with an extended runtime of 8 hours, it guarantees uninterrupted support for both operation and maintenance activities. Our remote area lighting systems are deployed across numerous Airforce stations throughout India, serving a crucial role in the operational and maintenance tasks of aircraft. As the longest-standing and most reputable manufacturer in this sector, our brand has become synonymous with trust and excellence in the defense industry for many years. The OES remote area lighting system plays a crucial role for the Indian Armed Forces, including the Indian Army and Border Security Forces, by significantly enhancing their operational capabilities during nighttime. This advanced lighting solution is particularly valuable for patrolling and surveillance activities in critical tactical operations, where visibility is paramount. Its deployment enables forces to conduct operations with greater efficiency and security under the cover of darkness, thereby augmenting their ability to monitor and protect sensitive areas effectively. The system is designed for effortless disassembly, allowing military and army personnel to swiftly transport it to different locations as needed. This feature ensures that the lighting solution can be rapidly redeployed, enhancing mobility and adaptability in various operational contexts. This system is extensively utilized in the railway sector, providing invaluable support to both operation and maintenance teams. Equipped with LED lights exceeding 10,000 lumens, it casts a brilliant illumination over the railway tracks. This feature is crucial, enabling gangmen to execute their duties efficiently, whether at night or under the challenging conditions of heavy rain after dark. The standout feature of this system lies in its 360-degree adjustable lights. With this innovative design, one light can brighten one side of the railway track, while the other light covers the opposite side. This singular system ensures comprehensive illumination on both sides of the track, enhancing visibility and safety. Unveiling the Om Energy Savers Remote Area Lighting System, the pinnacle of lighting innovation from India's most esteemed and longest-standing manufacturer in this domain. This system boasts two high-intensity 50-watt LED lights, casting a powerful 10,000 lumens to brilliantly light up any area. Featuring telescopic masts that extend up to 7 feet for optimal light distribution, and equipped with specialized lenses designed to focus light precisely where it's needed, this system slices through darkness to provide 8 hours of continuous, exceptional illumination. It's the trusted choice for emergency services and maintenance teams requiring dependable, high-quality lighting. Now let's dive into the system's features. The system boasts an easy installation process, allowing it to be up and running in just 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring quick and brilliant illumination without any hassle. The two lights are designed to rotate a full 360 degrees, offering the flexibility to direct illumination precisely where it's needed. Each light is also adjustable vertically, providing an added layer of convenience. Both the switch and remote control enable you to easily select between low, medium, and high modes, offering versatile control. A backlit LCD display, spanning 4 lines, presents essential details such as the current mode, lumens, battery level, and crucially, the remaining run time in hours, keeping you informed with vital information at a glance. It also indicates battery low and charging on and charging completed conditions. When the battery is fully depleted, the system can be powered through an external source, such as grid electricity or a generator, using a specialized module, ensuring continuous operation without interruption. The system offers the convenience of being charged via the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, providing an easy and accessible charging solution on the go. Equipped with a dual USB output port, the system enables the charging of mobile devices needing 5 VDC, proving to be exceptionally useful during emergencies. Robust trolley wheels enable swift deployment and effortless movement across flat surfaces, enhancing the system's portability and convenience. In conditions of high-speed winds, the lights can be mounted with the carry case laid flat, providing extra stability and ensuring secure operation even in challenging weather. With an IP65 rating, the system is designed to function seamlessly, even in heavy rain, ensuring uninterrupted operation and durability in harsh weather conditions. The system operates on a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, which has been certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, ensuring reliability and safety. The system has undergone rigorous testing at the National Test House, an entity under the Government of India, affirming its quality and reliability. Om Energy Savers stands as India's oldest, premier and most reputed manufacturer of remote aerial lighting systems. Our offerings range across a spectrum of configurations, designed to meet diverse needs from low to very high lumens requirements. For more detailed information, please visit our website at www.omenergysavers.in.